Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
And you think of the number of nor'easters and hurricanes that lighthouse has seen. All right, rain continues, obviously, heavy at times. Other times it's light, low clouds, fog. Temps in the 50s. Take a peek outside and just kind of gray and damp, a little bit of fog down in Newport. And even though it's in the 50s right now, the temperatures may actually inch up a bit later this evening to the point where we may get up into the low 60s, only to cool back down into the 50s once again. Now, the rain not too heavy in Newport, just based on the visibility. But other locations, every now and then you get a heavy downpour. So varying intensities, but it will continue this evening and right on through the overnight. 52 in Smithfield, 54 Providence, and very uniform temps at this hour with most areas in the middle 50s. So a rainy evening and a rainy night. Of course, we all know how windy it's been this spring season. We click on the wind machine once again. As mentioned, that wind advisory for Friday, gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour out of the west-northwest. Still kind of blustery on Saturday, not as windy as Friday, but gusty on Saturday. That's the only downside with Saturday's forecast. Otherwise, it's dry with some sunshine, and overall the weekend is looking pretty good both Saturday and Sunday. Bands of rain continue to work in from the Midwest. You see the moisture extending all the way back to the Ohio Valley. So this is all lifting through this evening and into the overnight. So drier air behind it, that's actually arriving for Friday. All right, let's take it into the future, starting now, and you see the rain continues to work in. But notice by tomorrow morning at around 7 to 8 a.m., the bulk of it is lifting up into northern New England. We're actually drying out. We'll see skies become partly sunny, and once that happens, the temperatures responding nicely, mid-upper 60s, like 65 to 70 tomorrow afternoon. The only downside with tomorrow, though, the gusty wind, the strong wind. Hour-by-hour forecast starts off this evening with periods of rain coming through. This is midnight. Every now and then you get a little blip of yellow indicating a brief downpour. But notice by tomorrow morning, most of this is gone. We start off kind of murky early with clouds and a little bit of fog, thinning out to partly sunny skies, and then watch the temperatures jumping up. Mid to upper 60s, very windy. These are sustained winds, not gusts. We're going to be gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. And the reason why the beaches are so warm tomorrow, there's no wind off the water, there's no sea breeze. It's a land breeze, and what a difference that makes as far as the coastal temperatures. Tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock, sunshine, windy, mild, and dry. Then later tomorrow night at 11 o'clock in the upper 40s. So your Friday night's fine. It's just very windy, but at least it's clear and it's dry. For tonight, periods of rain continue as temperatures actually jump up to near 60 by midnight. Now, kind of a slow start early tomorrow morning with some clouds and fog, but thinning out to partly sunny skies by 12 noon, 65. And we're going to average somewhere between 65 to 70, mid to upper 60s along the coast. Gale warning boaters, mid to upper 60s inland, and looking good across southeastern Mass with a blend of clouds and sunshine. So looking good in terms of sunshine, but unfortunately that wind is still very strong. 7-day forecast, finally both weekend days, unlike the last couple of weekends, are sunny. Only downside with Saturday, it's quite windy, but at least it's dry. Less wind, warmer, sunshine on Sunday with a high temperature of 65, some scattered showers by early next week. Mike and Shannon.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up next in